The smart speaker market has been boring for a long time. We've had the same spheres and the same pucks sitting on our counters, listening to our conversations, and, let's be honest, failing to deliver the one thing we actually want, a seamless, private, and high-fidelity experience. For years, the original HomePod Mini was the cute accessory, the budget entry into the Apple ecosystem. But while we were waiting for a giant HomePod Max or a screen-based hub, Apple was quietly re-engineering the very air inside your home. Enter the HomePod Mini 2. This isn't just a version 2 with a new color. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the moment Apple finally takes control of the smart home, and if you have even one Apple device in your pocket, you need to listen very carefully. Because by the end of this, you'll realize that the way you interact with your house is about to change forever. Let's talk about the sound of science. When you look at the HomePod Mini 2, it looks familiar. It's that same iconic, mesh-covered orb. But the moment you play the first track, everything changes. Apple has integrated a brand new ultra-excursion driver and a customized high-frequency waveguide. In plain English, this tiny speaker now moves more air than some speakers twice its size. We are talking about a 30% increase in bass response without any muddy distortion. Apple's new S3 chip, a variant of the silicon found in the latest Apple Watch, is performing computational audio tasks over 1,000 times per second. It's analyzing the reflections in your room, detecting the distance from your walls, and tuning the EQ in real time. It doesn't matter if you place it in a cluttered kitchen or an empty hallway. It creates a soundstage that feels physically impossible for a device that fits in the palm of your hand. But the real Apple magic isn't just the music, it's the intelligence of presence. The HomePod Mini 2 features the second-generation Ultra-Wideband chip. This is the game changer. In the old days, handoff was a bit hit or miss. You'd tap your phone to the speaker and hope it worked. With the Mini 2, it is instantaneous. But it goes deeper. The speaker now has proximity intelligence. As you walk into a room with your iPhone in your pocket, the HomePod Mini 2 knows you are there. It can trigger personalized automations based on who is standing next to it. If you walk in, it plays your Morning Chill playlist. If your partner walks in, it switches to their news briefing. It's a level of set it and forget it luxury that we've only seen in science fiction movies until now. Let's address the elephant in the room. Siri. We all know the jokes. Siri has been the slower cousin of Alexa and Google Assistant for years. But the HomePod Mini 2 is the debut platform for on-device Siri intelligence. Thanks to the enhanced neural engine in the new chip, the most common requests, turning off lights, locking doors, setting timers, no longer go to the cloud. They are processed locally, inside the speaker. This means the response time is near zero. No more, "I'm working on that," or "one moment." It's instant. And more importantly, for the privacy-conscious US audience, your voice data for these commands never leaves your house. This is the first smart speaker that truly respects the walls of your home. Now, let's talk about the Matter and Thread revolution. The HomePod Mini 2 is built to be the central nervous system of your smart home. It is a full-thread border router, but with a new high-availability mode.